Hey guys, the OrientTravellerZ here. Today we're at the Hilton Singapore Orchard Hotel, a newly renovated hotel located in the heart of Singapore's renowned shopping district, Orchard Road. We'll be checking out their 29 square meter King Premium room, one tier above their lead-in category room. The hotel lobby is located on level 5 above the Mandarin Gallery shopping mall. The building is more than 50 years old and was previously known as the Mandarin Orchard Hotel, but changed management to the Hilton Group and underwent extensive renovations, reopening as the Hilton Singapore Orchard in 2022. It is the largest Hilton hotel in Asia with more than 1,000 rooms. The lobby is clad extensively in light-toned marble, which contrasts well with the mahogany-colored walls of the buffet restaurant. Fluted glass panels balance the need for light and privacy. The lobby is located towards the Orchard Wing. We were allocated a room in the Mandarin Wing, so after checking in, we headed back towards the lift lobby where we came. As expected with a recently renovated hotel, the interior stylings and decor are modern and aesthetically pleasing. Entering the room and immediately to the right is the bathroom. Striking emerald tiles and grey marble line the walls and floor. The space is well designed with a separate bathtub and shower cubicle. And comes with a single vanity along with Crabtree and Evelyn branded toiletries in reusable bottles. The separate shower cubicle has both a rain shower and handheld shower head. By contrast, the entry-tier deluxe room comes with a double vanity but has a less desirable bathtub and shower combo. Moving on from the bathroom, there is a tall standing mirror and open concept wardrobe, which doesn't offer much privacy. The king-size bed was new and comfortable with no complaints. Beside the bed are conveniently placed light switches and a power outlet, with modern conveniences like USB charging ports. Surrounding the bed are wood-like panels with paint that mimic the style of Asian landscape artwork. Admire Orchard Road from the comfort of your room from your Chase Lounge. Which doubles as a sofa and seat for the marble-topped coffee table, which also functions as a work desk. With 2 power outlets, including a universal outlet next to the reading lamp. Moving on, there is a mini bar counter with cups and saucers for tea as well as a mini fridge. Water is provided in recyclable glass bottles, and there is an espresso machine and an electric kettle. Lastly, there are an assortment of snacks which are chargeable. The espresso machine can only be found in premium rooms or higher. There is a 55-inch LCD TV, which is larger than the 49-inch TVs found in deluxe rooms, and even more wardrobe space, which unfortunately also do not feature doors, meaning there is little to no private storage in the room. Moving on to the hotel amenities, there is a gym with complimentary water and towels. However, the gym lacks any external views or natural light, and considering the maximum occupancy of 1,000 rooms, can be considered undersized for a hotel of this scale. By contrast, the size of the club lounge is considerably more appropriate, beautifully renovated and featuring plenty of seating, akin to that of a premium airport lounge. But certain design elements, such as the half-height windows, are unfortunately holdovers from the building's original design that are difficult, if not impossible, to modify. Members are treated to complimentary beverages and canapes in the evening. Heading back to the lobby lounge impresses with its high ceilings and comfortable sofas, making it a popular spot to hang out or read a book. There's a bar counter further back, as well as more seating. The swimming pool was next to the lobby and hence would be more convenient for guests staying in the Orchard Wing than the Mandarin Wing. The pool, like the gym, is undersized for a hotel of this scale and will likely suffer from overcrowding. The 6 lawn chairs and an outdoor sofa hint at the expected maximum occupancy of this venue. Overcrowding might be remedied by the fact that the pool itself doesn't really have any noteworthy features. It is surrounded by high walls and does not feature any impressive views of the surroundings. Moving on to the restaurant, Estate, where the breakfast buffet is served. It is a spacious and beautifully decorated venue, well lit and featuring classy bronze and wood elements. There is a dizzying array of food options on offer, and it would be difficult to sample everything in one sitting. From assorted pastries like croissants and muffins, to dairy products, as well as both syruped and fresh fruits. There's a salad bar and cold cuts section. As well as soy milk, dough fritters, miso soup, and porridge. Fried rice, fried noodles, fried yam cake, carrot cake, and various stir-fried vegetables. Crisp roti prata and curries along with nasi lemak and its assorted accompaniments. A selection of eggs prepared in various styles are on offer, from eggs benedict to boiled, omelette, and scrambled. And there are even more seating spaces further back, as well as a fresh fruit juice counter. The buffet continues with a cereal bar, French toast, waffles, pancakes, samosas, with assorted dim sum and made-to-order dim sum and noodle counters. Needless to say, the breakfast buffet was very impressive and would cater well to business travelers who will often stay throughout the week at the same hotel. Having such a wide variety ensures that there is always something new to try every morning. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the Hilton Singapore Orchard. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.